Janine bought $3,000 worth of new furniture on credit. Because her credit score isn't very good, the store is charging her a fairly high interest rate on the loan, 16%. If she agreed to pay off the furniture over 2 years, how much will she have to pay each month? So this is a loan that Janine is taking out essentially at 16% interest. So our loan formula is P naught equals D times 1 minus 1 plus R over N to the negative NT over R over N. And we've got a lot of different things going on here in this problem. We've got this $3,000, and $3,000, that's the amount that she is putting on credit. And so that is going to be this P naught. So P naught equals 3,000. The next thing we have is this interest rate. Okay, the interest rate is 16%. That's R, and as a decimal, that's 0.16. Then we've got that she's paying this off over 2 years. And so that's going to be the length of the loan. That's T, so 2 years. And then finally we need N. And N is the number of payments per year. And we're doing this monthly. And so that's 12 times per year. So now we just need to plug everything in. So we've got this P naught is the 3,000. So 3,000 equals, and then we've got D, which we don't know, 1 minus 1 plus R, which is 0.16 over N, which is 12, raised to the negative N, which is 12, times T, which is 2. And then we divide this by the R, 0.16 over N, which is 12. Now we're trying to get D by itself. So there's two things we need to do here. We've got this big fraction, but really we can view this as two things. We've got this thing on top, and we've got this thing on bottom. So we need to multiply by that thing on bottom first. We've got 3,000 times 0.16 over 12. And then we'll divide by this thing on top. 1 minus 1 plus 0.16 over 12 to the negative 12 times 2. And that's D. This is going to be the monthly payment that Janine has. So now we're ready to plug this into our calculator. So we have this payment. We round to the nearest cent. Since this is money that we're talking about, we have 146.89. So $146.89 each month. Just for fun, we're not asked here, but just for fun, let's see the total amount that Janine pays. So this is her monthly payment, $146.89, and she takes that and she pays it 12 times per year. She does that for 2 years. And so if we, again, plug this into our calculator, we see that Janine ends up paying a total of $3,525.36. And comparing that to the initial amount, she got $3,000 worth of furniture. And after just 2 years, she paid $3,525. That's a huge increase. And so, buying things on credit, you have to take that into account and realize, well, how much are you really paying, and does that make it worth it?